This video we're going to talk about how to import data from picture in Excel. This is Excel 365. This feature is completely new. You can avail this feature only in Excel 365. If you go to other versions of Excel, this is Excel 2024. You go to data tab. There are so many different options from Excel, from text CSV, from web, but you cannot find get from data from picture. This feature is only available in Excel Microsoft 365. So click here, data from picture. We have already taken a screenshot of our data and saved it as data.png on desktop. We go to desktop here, select the file, click open. It will take some time to import data from picture. We are analyzing your image. Excel is preparing your data. The data is completed. If we scroll the button, all data is ready. If we want to, there is review option and insert option. I want to insert this data anyway. Insert anyway. 13 items still require review. You are responsible for validating the accuracy of data. Insert anyway. If I click insert, all the data is pasted here. If we open our image, open the data and want to match it, so far data accuracy is totally fine. Project name, marketing, task name, market research, content creation, start date 1/1/2024, days required. So far data is correctly fine. So here is a here this 78 is we just need to merge the cell. Okay, so merge. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. That's it. That's our data. That's how you can import data from picture and save a lot of time. That's it. Thank you for watching.